Hey yo, I've got a little update on the baby samurai project from episode 10. I cut and glued this doll, arts and crafts style, then scanned it and cleaned it up in Design X. After manually fixing some of the hole filling, I printed it on my Ender 5 Plus. This came out well, but the fine detail was washed out from the smoothing process. So I ended up manually refining the data in Blender. I also added some additional pen holders in the back before smoothing it all out again. After printing on my Ender 5 again, I decided to upgrade and bought a K2 Plus. I got a couple of the CFS units so I can print with 8 different filaments at once. This adds a lot of time to the print, but also unlocks a lot of potential. I found that by batch building, you gain back some of the efficiency lost by all the color changes.